Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing.
Yeah, hello and welcome back to another Bitcoin update. So let's quickly get straight to it. We have an awesome move that Bitcoin is forming right now on the chart. I know it's a lot of patterns and numbers and letters on here, so I'll try to simplify it as simple as possible. This past couple of videos, we have been talking about a extended fourth wave. If we look at More Crypto Online's chart, we are in a possible fourth wave extension with this bounce. So what this means for the extension fourth wave is it will usually fold in an A, B, C structure. So that's where we have this corrective A wave, B wave down, and then a C wave up, with the C wave forming a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave larger move up. And with this recent move up, we have had a 1, 2, 3, seems like we're in the third wave right now, which is why it's so impulsive. Fourth wave down, and then a fifth wave move up to form that larger degree third wave, where we could have a larger fourth wave correction, and then a fifth wave move up, which could form that possible C wave move up for that fourth wave extension, which, as you can see, we have, this chart's a couple days old, so it won't be exact, but we have now entered the resistance area between 92,588 to 101,057. So with this fourth wave extension, we will likely get rejected within this resistance area. The exact price, we should preferably, not guaranteed, but 96,730 to get the 50% retracement. That would be a preferable area to be able to hit before we get rejected. Obviously, if we break through resistance, then it could be a possible B wave move up, but sometimes these wave fours can extend. So we'll take it level by level, day by day. As of right now, we are focused on this wave 4 in the third wave of the third wave before we get a 4-5 to finish out this fifth wave to make the third wave. As you can see, we've only had three wave move up so far. So an Elliott wave, if it's only 3 waves, then it's possible if we don't get that 4-5, then maybe we can fall back into support. So we'll keep a close eye on this. We'll see how this forms out. We'll try to see if we can get a support zone once this tops here for the third wave, to see if we can get a support zone for this fourth wave. If we hold support and we form a fifth wave, then that could be a more of a sign that this is the fourth wave extension and that it did not top back in December. So we'll keep track of that. Really quickly, we'll go over the RSI. It's a pretty crazy move that we have had. We've been in the overbought right now for the 30-minute, 15-minute overbought. 1 hour, we have entered the overbought. Here's something interesting. 4 hour, we have now entered the overbought. And on the daily, with this, we were heading towards the overbought, but we are still neutral. But you can kind of see each rally gets a little bit less and less and less. So if we have that line of rejection on the RSI, then it's likely when we get to the 70 RSI, if this line plays out, then we might see a rejection from there, which will show that this fourth wave is indeed playing out. But it's too early to tell whether the fourth wave has topped or not. Right now, we are still trying to find a top for this third wave, which is super impulsive, and then form a 4-5 up to confirm the fourth wave extension. So we're going to focus on that first instead of going into other more bullish or bearish scenarios. We're going to focus on what is happening in the market right now instead of trying to speculate what could happen a couple months from now. I don't really see the point in doing that. So, and plus, I don't think anyone can have a 100% correct prediction. So it's just kind of a dumb thing to speculate on for what will happen then. Really quickly, I wanted to go through the, let's see, yep, the longs and the shorts. 10 billion, almost, yep, 11, close to 11 billion in longs with the liquidity cluster. Small one right here, 92,206 to 90,082 more or less. Then we have a larger one, 89,728 to about more or less 83,474 with only about 3.25 billion in leverage for shorts, with a cluster with 93,032 to about 94,330. So just for those of you that believe that the market follows where the leverage is and it is manipulated, maybe this could be some helpful information that you may want to use, but have your own strategy, obviously. Okay, really quickly before we finish up the video, just wanted to warn everyone, we have two CME gaps that have not been filled yet. One between 88,150 to 88,710, and we just formed another one, 90,620 more or less to about 90,580. So we'll keep track of that move. We'll see how that plays out. Should be pretty interesting. Usually CME gaps do get filled within a week or so, but maybe this time will be different. We will just have to wait and see. We'll keep track of this move. We'll see how this plays out. Oh, look at that. We just broke 93,000. So that is awesome. Great to see. So yeah, we'll keep track of this. We'll see how this plays out. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.